Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make smooth chocolate-covered strawberries. First, select fresh, firm strawberries, ensuring they are ripe and blemish-free. Wash them gently under cool water and then dry them completely with a paper towel. Any moisture will cause your chocolate to seize. Finally, prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper. This simple step will prevent sticking and make cleanup incredibly easy. Next, let's melt the chocolate. Choose a good quality chocolate, like a semi-sweet or milk chocolate, for the best flavor and a smooth finish. You can melt it using a double boiler or in the microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each. The key is to melt it slowly and gently, ensuring it becomes completely smooth and free of any lumps. Now for the fun part, dipping. Hold each strawberry by its stem and dip it into the melted chocolate, twisting gently to coat evenly. Lift it out and let any excess chocolate drip back into the bowl. Carefully place the dipped strawberry onto your prepared parchment paper. If you want to add sprinkles or a contrasting chocolate drizzle, do it now before the chocolate sets. Finally, let your beautiful chocolate-covered strawberries set. You can leave them at room temperature if your kitchen is cool, or place them in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes until the chocolate is firm. Once set, store them in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 days. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.